right, so this is notes for 6-3. This is percent applications. So from this lesson onward, that's what this first sentence is about. You can use either the percent proportion or the percent equation. It's up to you. So I no longer care, and it's whichever one you feel most comfortable with at this point. So let's just review those really quick. Our percent proportion is that percent over 100 is equal to part over whole. And when we're doing that cross multiplication. Or you're using the percent equation, which was that part is equal to the whole times the percentage after you divide it by 100. So either one of those is what you're using to do these problems. When we're looking at these problems, because we're moving onward, sorry, got some bells, I'm bringing the bells. When you're looking at these problems, multiple percents means multiple steps. Multiple proportions, multiple percent equations, you're going to have to do multiple steps. You're going to have to set up multiple proportions or equations, whichever you decide, whichever you're choosing to use. The proportions or the equations. The most important or the most helpful thing when you're doing this is going to be to label the percents. When you're doing the problem and you're putting the percentage in, put a little arrow in that says it's a markup or discount or sales tax. Sales tax, not something we talked about in our last lesson, but sales tax, any kind of tax really, tax increases the price, just like a markup does. Also, along with a tax is tip. A tip is also an increase in the price. Just discount and coupons are the things that lower the price. So make sure you label those percentages, because then you'll remember to do that next step where you either need to add or subtract it back onto the original or back from the original. No, I wanted green. Don't forget to add / subtract from that OG. That's going to be important. We're going to look at that a lot. So, all right, we'll start taking a look at some of these problems.